Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. And this is showing my quote-unquote new monitor. The guy just brought it a little while ago. It's got DVI, which connects to older Mac Minis. The light is on my iPad. That's where there's glare. I'm seeing glare, but not on the screen. The display is much better. I will have to try this with the iPhone than the old one, the 17-inch cinema display, which had a crystalline stand. So I play Diablo 2 for hours when I can't sleep. And this is a necromancer, the best guest character to play. And I turned the sound down. So what this is, the stand on the one with the acrylic stand wouldn't stay up. I had to support it with a pair of bricks. So this cost me actually cost me $52. And then he gave me, for $3, the DVI to VGA connector. And this will enable me to connect this Mac Mini. I have a 2005 in the bedroom to a television set. Now, I'm not certain of the 2005, but I couldn't play Diablo 2 in 2005. It wouldn't let me, so I had to go buy a 2006. So this is Mac Retro Gaming. The Necromancer can run really fast. And he has a wand. And these things shoot spikes at you. And he collects stuff, and then he can sell it back in town for armor, helmets, weapons, bow. I usually have him try to get a bow and arrow that has poison's the king in this game. There's a ring. He has a identity scroll, and you can see what the ring is. Some allow you to get gold, and early on you don't have a lot of money. So I have a lot of characters. That's a zombie. Here's another spike thing, and then there's some gold. And then what you do is you go to here. You have your statistics, your vitality, your dexterity, your energy. That's your mana, so throwing spells. There goes the honking horn again. And then here's your inventory. So we click on this. So this is a sword with 2 to 9 damage. This is the wand with 2 to 4. So I'm going to switch that out. Then we have the identity scroll here. 1 to maximum damage. And then you have mana potions, healing potions. You can get a belt, armor, a helmet, boots, gloves, and a shield, which he doesn't have. And the keys open up closed chest. So he's a little stronger, but I'll have to go to town and get that repaired. And you get better weapons. And this is resist lightning, because some of these early on you're not gonna get lightning, but some of these monsters shoot lightning at you, and lightning is very damaging to the characters. So we'll run him. You have to go into this den of evil, which I thought was Belgab, and Helgab. There's armor. Now I'll go down again, and I thought he got armor. Yeah, he got armor. See, he got a leather armor, and it needs to be repaired too, but he can wear it for now. And here's a dead rogue, and they have coins and weapons and healing potions. There's a short sword. Let's see if it's any better. Socketed. Now, socketed, you can put poison in there, freezing, lightning. I'll keep that. So, and then she stands there, Flavius, and she says, you're not strong enough to go out to fight stronger monsters. There's more armor. And there's the cold plains where they start shooting bows at you. So I'm just going to go out there to show you. and he can run. And then they have these guys that control these little demons. You have to kill them, and they keep reanimating them. These things are tough. Uh-oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, I just died. All right. With that, I'll let you go. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Matt, Retro Gaming, on a 2006 Mac Mini with my new 20-inch cinema display. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. I'll revive him when I get back, when I hit the escape and go back to town. And remember, you can join the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month when you can see content nowhere else. And I will eventually, when I get a thing, put one of these, or put the iPhone on the stand and do this live. So, have a good day and a good weekend and a Happy New Year. And I will catch you next time. Bye-bye for now. Diablo 2 on a 20-inch Apple cinema display. So it's an improvement over the 17-inch. And the guy has a 24-inch he can sell me later. But the big problem with the other one is the screen display was dim because it's old, and but now I can see a lot better. But with an iPhone, I don't think I'd have that glare from the camera light. All right, that's it for this one. Bye-bye for now. Thanks for watching.